Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Skyworth TV is connected to the internet and running the latest firmware. This avoids sign-in and playback errors. Once done, press home on the remote and go straight to apps or the built-in store, because installing or opening YouTube now is the next step. You'll search for YouTube and select Install or Open. Make sure to keep the remote steady. If the store lists both YouTube and YouTube Kids, pick the standard YouTube app for full features. Once the app is installed, you need to sign in so subscriptions and recommendations sync. You can select Sign In on the TV and either use the on-screen keyboard or the faster phone method. Choose Use Phone and follow the prompts. If a code appears, go to the activation page on your phone and type it in. This pairs your account. After signing in, visit YouTube settings to set default playback quality and captions, so videos play as expected without repeatedly. Now you can play videos. Search or browse and press OK to start. Use the remote for play, pause, and seek because these controls are more responsive. To cast, open YouTube on your phone, tap Cast, and choose your Skyworth TV so you can control playback from the phone. If video won't load or sign-in fails, restart the TV, verify network strength, and if needed, uninstall and reinstall YouTube. If casting drops, reauthorize by signing out and back into the app to refresh the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.